Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is November 7, 2023, Tuesday. Option expiry for FinNifty. First the levels, then what happened, and also the power of technical analysis. FinNifty closed 19,560.60, flat almost, 0.12% up, while BankNifty moved up by 0.27%, closed at 43,797.90. Nifty almost flat, absolutely flat, I would say, because yesterday it closed at 19,410, today it closed at 19,406.70. So what happened? The power of technical analysis. First we will tell that. So we had clearly said that the 100-day moving average will act as a very good resistance for some time, right? So FinNifty never went there. And also we said that the October close, that's going to act as a very strong support. It's not going to break that easily. That's what we said. Though during the day, there was some breakout that was a breakdown that was happening, but it never went there. So that's the power of technical analysis. So what happened today? So Nifty, FinNifty, everything opened after forming doji. It opened more or less at the same level, and because it came down and most part of the time it was below the Bollinger Middle Band, and it was expected to close down significantly. In fact, at one stage it threatened to close below the form a bearish engulfing the previous 3 days of gap ups that it formed. But ultimately what it formed is a long leg doji and managed to close above the Bollinger Middle Band. All three indices closed above Bollinger Middle Band. In fact, BankNifty formed a solid green candle, while Nifty and FinNifty formed doji. But is it out of danger? Still, I wouldn't. It is not that convincing, though there is some up move that had happened. But looks like this has some more steam left because of today's move. Unless otherwise, we see a strong reversal happening tomorrow. But it is more of a sideways. Hence, no, I don't expect. Which, if you recollect, yesterday also I said that don't expect a big up move or down move, because all these intraday events will happen. Unfortunately, the option buyers, option sellers, everybody was trapped. Morning, when it went down significantly, the put option writers were hammered, were squeezed. Evening, call option writers were squeezed. Morning, the call option writers were squeezed. Evening, put option writers were squeezed. So ultimately, everybody was squeezed today. So that's the power of market. Market does not favor anyone. It moves in a particular way, and one who rides along the direction, he or she is going to reap the benefit, for which once again technical analysis is the answer. Strong understanding, reading of charts, interpreting what happens, what will happen, how the movement will happen is going to help one make consistent long-term money. Otherwise you will have one day wonders, one day making good money, and next few days, these kind of days, people lose money. That's what it is. But anyway, that's for traders. For investors, go to mutual funds. That is the safest one. If not, invest, be along with the franchisee, don't trade. That is what my advice will be, or suggestion. I am a small person, I can only suggest. Okay, so now let's go into the analysis part of it. Banks, AU and Bandhan fell 1%, while Axis, Indus Bank, Kotak and SBI and Yes Bank up 1%. HDFC remained flat. Federal Bank had a fantastic move of 2%. So Federal Bank is now looking set to consolidate and set to go up. That's what it shows. On the financials, Bajaj Finance and Chola 1% down. Others remained flat. So today banking pulled up not only Bank Nifty and also Fin Nifty. That is why you can see that the more than Fin Nifty, it's a Bank Nifty that had moved up significantly up, because the Fin Nifty components did not move up, whereas the Bank Nifty moved up, which is also part of Fin Nifty. That's why it happened that way. On the insurance and cards, SBI Life 1% up, ICICI Pru had a massive move of 3%. Oil and Telecom, Reliance 1% down, Bharti remained flat. In the IT, Apple and Coforge 1% down, Birlasoft 2% down, LTIM and TechM 1% up. In the consumer goods, ITC 1% down, ABFRL, Britannia, PVR 1% up, Trent 8% up. Massive move. Automobiles, Hero Motors and M&M 1% down, Escorts 1% up. So all others remain flat. In the metals, it was a mixed day. Coal India, JSW, National Aluminium 1% down, SAIL 2% down, Hindalco and Jindal Steel 1% up, NMDC and Vedanta 2% up. In the health and pharma, Apollo Hospital, Divi's 1% down, Metropolis 3% down, Sun Pharma 2% up, while Cipla, Lalpath and Dr. Reddy 1% up. In the others category, Adani Enterprise, Adani Ports, Havels 1% down, APL, Apollo and Zomato 2% down. On the upward direction, Aries, Delta, India Mart, Indigo, IRCTC and Nykaa 1% up, MCX 2% up. With all these things, what do we expect for option expiry for Bank Nifty tomorrow? So once again, I think for Bank Nifty, the 100-day moving average is going to act as a very good resistance, at least for some more time, till it breaks. Hence, one has to carefully watch whether it is breaking past the 100-day moving average. Hence, that is something which can act as a resistance. On the downward side, it is again October closing is going to act as a resistance. Likewise for Nifty, the October close will act as a support. For Bank Nifty, October close is support. For Nifty also, October closing will act as a very good support, the close of October. But for the resistance for Nifty is slightly high, because it is very close to the 100-day moving average. So chances are that it can break that. If that happens, then the next logical support that is available is the 50-week moving average. Tomorrow we will see. Thank you very much.